What are the things that you needed to know and be cautious about when you are traveling to a specific country? India. Rape case. Unfortunately, India receives a lot of negative publicity about rape, harassment, and the adverse treatment of women. In June 2018 survey, India was the world's most dangerous country for women. China. Petty crimes, including pickpocketing, credit card fraud, fake products, and financial scams, occur regularly and often target Americans and other foreigners. Southeast Asia. Price scam, including charging more toward foreigners than that of they would charge to a local buyer. The weak local currency toward foreign currency gained an opportunity for local people to charge more price toward foreigners, and most foreigners wouldn't even notice because they wouldn't know if the local buyers can buy it for cheaper. Europe. If you're planning to venture around Europe using public transport, such as night trains or buses, it's worthwhile being on guard when you're traveling, as this is a prime opportunity for thieves to target tourists. Here, criminals can steal valuables by searching through your luggage while you're sleeping or even take your luggage altogether. Africa. Card fraud. Corruption is at the root of many of the problems that impact on safety in a country and the well-being of its people. Corruption tragically robs the people of South Africa with the revenue and resources needed to uplift its people, create jobs, improve infrastructure, and build the nation. Latin Americas. Rising violence in Brazil has reduced tourism, costing the $200 million in lost revenue in 2017. 40 tourists were robbed at gunpoint on a popular hiking trail in Rio de Janeiro. USA. Apartment deposit scam. Where they knew if a campus has thousands of non-local students coming to the States every year, as they will be asked to sign a 12-month rent contract and pay a security deposit before signing the contract, they claim will return the deposit after you make your last final payment. But they always knew that most of the students will leave the town afterward, so they'll never return your security deposit nevertheless if they've ever said so. It'll be too hard to press charges and take legal action once you're gone. Don't get ripped off. So anyway, this is the end of the video. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye bye.